Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to put an exponential function into your calculator. Now I have pulled up here your notes that are for using a calculator. If you want to use a calculator, graphing calculator, that's something you can do. You just can follow these notes. It's pretty easy, but no, it's even easier, DESMOS. So that's what we're going to use today. So I don't know how to split screen on mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and I have my notes kind of off to the side. So I went ahead, we're going to just do this together. I'm going to show you the important thing is remember how to put a table in and then know how to put the equation in. So you're going to have to write what I write down on your formula chart. Or something. I don't know. I know we did this with quadratics and kids were coming up to me constantly saying, how do you put it onto DESMOS? How do you put it into DESMOS? I don't want to tell you again and again, write it on your formula chart. You could write it on these notes if you wanted to, but I'm afraid that the notes won't be as accessible to you. Maybe that's your go-to place. During this quiz, you would pull out your notes and look at that, or you can put it on your formula chart. Just remember too, when you take your EOC, you can't look at your formula chart. You can't look at your notes. So these little things, using tilde and stuff like that for quadratic equations and for exponential functions, you have to remember what we're doing. Okay, you can't always look at your notes. You've been looking at your notes all year long. You will not be able to look at your notes on the STAR test, and that STAR test is coming up pretty soon. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Again, I'm using the table that you saw. That's the top table on your notes for today using a calculator. So just a quick reminder, you come up here to the left-hand corner of your screen. There's a plus sign. If you click it, it'll give you the option to do a table. So I'm going to click on that table. I'm going to just go ahead and put these numbers in. You know what? You might want to have, I don't know if you can do split screen. I don't know, because I guess you can't necessarily do it the same as me. But I'm going to go ahead and put these numbers in. Smart enough to know I'm going by 5. So I'm going to go all the way down. Then the next one's going to take me just a wee bit more time. 0.1, enter. What is it? Okay, it's, well, no, it's, okay, 0.15, enter. 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, enter. 0.3, enter. Hopefully I won't screw it up because I'm trying to go fast. 0.4, 0.6, 0.4, enter. 0.6, enter. 0.8, enter. 1.15, enter. 1.5, enter. Okay, so now we have a table in, and so this matches the table that's on your notes. Now I'm going to hit number 2 here so that it gives me an opportunity to put the equation in. So here's what you're going to probably need to write on your formula chart. So you're going to hit Y, and remember, we're not going to hit the equal sign because we want to match up the table with the equation. Now, if I'm putting in an exponential equation, probably what you did yesterday or the day before, you are putting an equal sign because you're saying, I'm putting in this equation, what's it going to look like? But if I put a table in, that's when I'm going to use the tilde. So that's with the quadratic equations. You're putting tables in, and then you had to know how to remember to put the tilde in there and the subscript. So this is Y1. So I just hit the 1 key. Then I hit tilde, which is over in the left-hand corner of your screen, or on your keypad, I mean. Then I'm going to do A, another subscript. And then I'm going to put the parentheses. And now here's where you want to be careful. We're going to do B1. And then I need to do an exponent. So I'm going to come down where the keyboard is, but I'm not going to hit A squared because A squared will automatically square it. If I hit A with the B up in the corner, it lets me choose what my exponent's going to be. So, okay, watch this. I'm going to put an X and another subscript. So now I have 2 subscripts. Now, if I hit the close parenthesis key right now, it's just going to close parenthesis the exponent. So I want to go ahead and tab over once to drop that down. I hit the shift key, hit it, And so now I have an equation that can speak to my table. And now you can see they give me my A and they give me my B. So is this showing growth or is this showing decay? Look at B. Is B more than 1? If B is more than 1, it's showing growth. And B is 1.06688. So yes, it's showing growth. Now, where is it crossing over the y-axis? At what point? What is the starting point? Look at the numbers. If it is crossing over at 0.00326606, that is your A right there. So that is how you put in a table. That is how you match it up to the exponential equation, or how you put that function in, and then that's how you read your answer choices right there. Good luck. I know you can do it. See you later. Bye-bye.